In this video, I'll show you how to find your Binance wallet address. Finding your wallet address on Binance is easy, but if you get one detail wrong, your funds could be lost forever. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your deposit address for any cryptocurrency, and more importantly, how to ensure you choose the right network. Let's dive in. Log in to your Binance account, navigate to the top menu, click Deposit, and select Deposit Crypto. From here, you'll be prompted to choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, for example, Bitcoin, BTC, or Tether, USDT. Once selected, the screen will update to show you the deposit details. This is the most important part of the entire process, the network. If you are receiving USDT, you might see options like ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. The network you select on Binance must match the network the sender is using. If the sender sends USDT via the TRC220 network, you must select the TRC20 address on Binance. If you pick the wrong one, the transaction may not arrive, and recovering it is extremely difficult. Once you've selected the correct network, you'll see both a QR code and a long string of letters and numbers. Never type this manually. Always use the button. Double-check the first and last 4 characters of the address before you paste it to the sender. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. Keep your address private, only share it with trusted senders, and you're all set to receive your crypto safely. Network mismatch. Always confirm the network with the sender. If you are unsure, send a small test transaction first. Never manually type your wallet address. Manual entry errors are a common cause of lost funds. And that's how to find your Binance wallet address. Once you have it, you can use it to receive crypto into your Binance account.